Hi friends. So within 2 minutes, you can set up the Nexus repository tool. Okay. So I created the Nexus folder. Now I am opening here Git Bash. So already I installed the Docker in my local. So I will run the Docker run hyphen itd means it will run the interactive detach mode hyphen name Nexus. I am giving the container name as an Nexus hyphen p 8081 colon 8081. So here, so you can give the right side here. Right side, you need to give the specific tool port number. Okay, in the left side you can give any port, but I am giving for default port only in left side as well. Okay, FNP. Now we need to specify the Nexus image name. So now type, so now type Nexus 3. So this is the one I given. So now I will create the container. So there is no image available in my system. It is pulling from the Docker Hub. It will pull the image and it will create the container. So now it is pulling image. Okay. Now it should come further outside from creating container. If you see, it will show container here. Okay. Now we will see Docker CS. See now running the Nexus container. Now can able to access from browser localhost because I am running Nexus in my local laptop by using Docker 8081. We will see it come. I am checking the logs, container logs. See, now it will take some time to boot up the Nexus. Now it is starting. It is still okay. Now see, now it is up. Now we can log in the Nexus. Default username is the admin. Password we need to get from the inside container. We created container, right? We need to log in that container. Docker exec hyphen it nexus sh. See now inside container. If you give ls hyphen la, now we need to go to Sona type work. Here it will Sona. Here it will show the Nexus 3 folder. We need to go Nexus 3 folder. Now if you see here we have the password file cat admin. So this is the password, default password of the access. Okay. I'm logging. 1 second. We need to copy here. We will see sometimes it will copy the some space as well. Okay. Now this is the one. Now we can copy this one. See. Now it is logged into the Nexus. Now it is asking new password. I am giving 12345. We need to set the our password. Here, if you enable the anonymous access means even without logging to the user in the Nexus, they can able to see the artifacts. Okay, don't give this one. This is the security check. You can give disable the anonymous access. So they, so that means only through user credentials only they can able to see the artifacts as well. But if you enable, if you tick on that enable anonymous access, even if you have the any person URL, they can able to see the our artifacts. Okay, now done. So now if you see by default, we will get the some repositories. Okay, this is the Maven Central, Maven Public, Maven Public, Maven Releases, Maven. So Maven Releases means while running the Maven project, we will get the release artifacts that will store here. And the snapshot while building snapshot, if the application is under development, we will generate the artifacts as a snapshot. We will push the those washed into the in this repository. And this is the .NET one. So, but by default, open source Nexus it will not support the creating the repository for the pushing images. So, because of we are using the open source. But if you go to developer as a paid version interface, you can able to see the repository to create a repository to store images into the our Nexus repository. That's it. So, this is the way within 2 minutes you can able to set up and you can do the practice.